Boris, how dare you not ground Caillou for killing me? You know that he is a bad boy. That's it. I will assault you.
Why? No, 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 no. Caillou, 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 please help me. I'm about to get assaulted by Makisuper's evil dad. Please help me, now.
Diesel Busters, put my dad down right now.
No, I will not.
Do it, now.
No.
Do it.
No.
Please Diesel, I don't want my dad to die. Please, do it, now.
No, I will not. And that's funnel.
Do it now. 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 Now.
No, your tantrums are not going to help.
But please, do it. Do it now.
No, 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 no.
Please, 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 please.
Caillou, stop throwing a tantrum right now.
No, not until you put my dad down.
No, now stop complaining.
Put my dad down. 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 Now, 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 now.
Shut up. Caillou, stop it.
No, 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 no. Oh no, changing to Ivy's voice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put my dad down right now.
Caillou, you better shut your mouth right now, or I will so assault you.
Diesel, don't you dare assault my son. That is child abuse and you know that.
Shut up, Boris. It is none of your business. You little crap.
Wow 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 wow. Diesel, you don't need to say that. Jeez, you're rude.
Okay, you stop it right now.
Ow 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 ow. That hurt my ears, and my voice changed back to Zach.
Why do you think I care?
That is it. Diesel Busters. How crappy dare you try to assault me and my son. That is it. You are so grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 years. Now 8 9 0 0. Now go to your stupid room.